Well, good morning, YouTube. I've seen a bunch of these videos about these black worms, these parasites that are in these masks from China. Yeah. Now I've had this mask. I've got two of them. I just pulled out one. This is one of them. It's been in I have an old truck that I hardly ever use, and this thing has just been hanging on the gear shift for about 2 years. It just hanging there. I haven't used it at all. Now look at it. It looks like something has been moving around in it and eating up the paper, eating up the fibers. And it's moving around kind of like in a worm-like fashion. See what I'm saying? This is the way it looks normally. Look at all of these. I mean, you can see down here something really went to town on it down here, and the stuff is gone. It's not like it disintegrated. It was on the bottom of the floor of the truck. It's gone. So I don't know what's going on with this stuff. But I'm gonna heat up some water and put this over water and see what happens. Okay, so I put the mask over some hot water. I boiled some water, but I didn't let it go all the way up to being boiling. I just let it, about 120 degrees or thereabout, just so that we had a little steam. Okay, now like I was saying, if you look at the mask, it's 2 years old. It looks like something was eating in it, right? These look like tracks. These look like tracks going through it, like something was working its way, worming its way through the mask in order to eat. Yes? Okay. So now it's been sitting over this for a while, and there's all kinds of, I'm going to see if I can zoom in here, get my finger. There's all kinds of debris on the mask. So this mask has been sitting in a truck. We're in Arizona, in Tucson, so there is absolutely no humidity. So it looks like these worms disintegrated. But I want to show you this. Down in this corner, I found one that's still intact. And let me see if I can zoom in. Where did it go?
Let me go through here.
Where did it go? It was in here.
Right this way. On the corner.
Yeah, I know it's in the corner, but it's not there anymore. It looked like it moved. I'm going to find it and start up the video again. I'll be right back. Okay, so this thing, after 2 years, it's still alive. This was on the white side. I had to move over. All right, I'm on the blue side now. I had to move over, and it is fucking moving. I don't know if you can see that. I'm going to zoom in as close as I can. This is it right here. That son of a bitch is still alive and moving. Look at it. We're going to try and get it out with tweezers. But if you can see that, it's fucking moving. This mask is 2 years old, and it's been sitting in a car. Hot, 140 degrees during the day because of the glass and all the heat. And cold at night, but it is right there. I'm zooming in as close as I can. Right there. That's right it. There. This was on the white side. I've had to flip the mask up.
Oh,
what
I'm
did
sorry.
you move
I'm
for?
sorry.
Right there. We're going to try and get it out with a tweezer and see what it looks like. Okay, look at this thing. This is it right here. And it's still fucking moving around. And you see that? That's it right there.
Yeah, right there.
Okay, we're going to try and get it with tweezers. And it's still alive, believe it or not, after all. So these things are not biological. These are some kind of manufactured, probably with graphene. Okay, I'm sorry about the focusing in and out, but go ahead and try it with the tweezers. Try and get it out with the tweezers. You have to go.
Where are they?
Where are what? You're not over it.
I can't see it.
Okay, you're right over it. Look at it, it's fucking moving. You're right. No, you missed it. You missed it. To the left. To the left. Right there. Keep going. Keep going. You're almost on it. Keep going. Almost. You're almost on it. No, you're not on it yet. Right there. Right there. You got it. You're touching it. No. You almost got it. You got it. You got it. Pick it up. Hold on. You got it. Stop moving. Okay, it's out. It's out. It's on top. You see it? It's on top of the mask. See it?
Yeah. Yeah. I can't see it with my eyes, but I can see it through the camera.
I can see it through the camera. All right, I want you to hold. I can't see it with my eyes either. All right, we're going to try and get it out, and then I'm going to come back and film it. All right, I got it in the tweezers. There it is. There's the fucking worm.
Mm-hmm.
And you can see this fucker's moving around still.
Yeah.
Look at this. It is
moving.
It is alive.
In.
It is still alive. Look at this son of a bitch. I fucking just dropped it.
It's right there on top. There we go.
And this thing, I'm telling you, is immensely small. This mask, I want to repeat that again, is over 2 years old. It's been sitting in my truck in the hot summer heat of Arizona twice. And all I did was put this mask, let's show them. I put the mask over a cup of hot water. Well, I can't zoom in on that. Okay, a cup of hot water. And this thing, if you look at the mask, can you zoom out? Zoom out. Use your fingers to zoom out. Zoom out some more. These things have been eating the mask. You can see all the lines. Mm-hmm. They've been in there eating the mask for 2 fucking years. Whatever the mask is made of, it's food for them so they can stay alive. You zoom back in on this thing. I think I still have it.
You do have it.
Do I have it? Or did I drop it?
Well, you need to focus because maybe he curls. Let me see.
No, I dropped it. He got off. He slipped off somehow. I don't know where the hell it went now.
It must be in the mask.
It's in the mask somewhere. But
you sure put it on the side? Yeah.
No, there's nothing there anymore.
Fucking smart.
I dropped it.
He was curling.
It was curling up and he squeezed out somehow. He's in here somewhere. I mean, I'd have to spend another 10 minutes to try and find it again. But there you go, people. These things are in the masks. They can regenerate from hot water. They'll rehydrate, and they're not dead, so they can't be biological. These things are some kind of graphene / biological creature. They're some kind of hybrid. I don't know. Maybe I still do have it. No, I don't think so.
No,
it's not there anymore. Well, there you have it. So, experiment completed.